bitwise operators in C language. So bitwise operators are special operators set provided by C. They are used in bit level programming, and these operators are used to manipulate bits of an integer expression, and they are used to change individual bits in an operand. So we have AND, OR, exclusive OR, left shift, right shift, and complement. Look at the truth tables. These tables we call them as truth tables in general. So how AND works? 1 and 1 is 1. If both are 1, then the resultant is 1. What about OR? If any one is 1, then the resultant is 1. Then what is exclusive OR? Try to observe the difference between OR and exclusive OR. In case of OR, any 1 is 1, you get 1. Whereas exclusive OR, even both ones you get 0. Look at the first one. 1 exclusive OR 1 is 0. Complement 1 is 0 and complement of 0 is 1. Negation. So we'll see the things using a few demo programs clearly. So look at the first demo program. How many variables are there? We have 3 variables, A, B, C, and A is assigned with 5, 6, 7, 8 and B is assigned with 7, 8, 3, 2. So a number preceded with 0x is a hexadecimal number. Any number preceded with 0 either small x or 0 capital X is hexadecimal number. So here A is assigned with a hexadecimal number and B is also assigned with a hexadecimal number. C is equal to A and B, and printf C %x for hexadecimal notations. So each and every number here is to be converted into hexadecimal, and then we need to implement AND operation. For our convenience, we use a simple notation table. We call it as 8421 table. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and 2 power 3 notations. So A, we need to convert each and every digit in A into hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is 2 to the power of 4 base 16. So that is the reason each and every element is converted into 4 digits here. 5 is 0101 and 6 is 0110, 7 is 0111 and 8 is 1000. Now how? If you have knowledge of number system is okay, otherwise look at the table on the right hand side. So 8 is 1000. 7 is 4 plus 2 plus 1. So in 4th place put 1, and in 2's place put 1, and in 1's place put 1, and in 8th place put 0. As we know in hexadecimal notations, 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E and 15 F. So look at 9. 9 is 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. So in 8's place you put 1, and in 1's place you put 1. Either you follow this notation, if you know how to convert decimal to hexadecimal, you follow that notation. If you have any doubts regarding number system, please refer number system video and go to playlist. So 5 is 0101, 6 is 0110 and 7 is 0111 and 8 is 1000. Similarly B 7832 is converted. Now apply AND operator. We just always move from right to left. So 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, 0, 0 is 0 and 1 and 0 is also 0. 1 and 1 is 1 and 1 and 1 is 1 and 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0 and so on. Now whatever the output is there, you convert it back to decimal. So 0101 is 5, 0000 is 0, 0011 is 3 and 0000 is 0. So here the output is 5030. No confusion regarding any conversions. So you can try this on your own. Here operator is OR. Note down the program and convert it each and every digit into hexadecimal notation and apply the operation. And exclusive OR. So you try this also, exclusive OR. M is with 5, 6, 7, 8 and N is with 7, 8, 9, 2. P is equal to M exclusive OR N. So next is complement. Look at the fifth one. Fifth one is a little bit, it's not clear actually, so no problem, check it out. M is equal to 0x5678 comma N semicolon. N is equal to M left shift, that is less than 2 semicolon, and printf %x comma N semicolon and close the brackets. So left shift by 2. So what do you mean by left shift by 2? So 5 converted into hexadecimal notation, that is 0101, 6 is 0110, 7 is 0111 and 8 is 1000. Left shift 2 means you add 2 zeros to the right hand side. Left shift 2 means you add 2 zeros on the right hand side. Left shift 3 means you add 3 zeros on the right hand side. So here M left shift 2, add 2 zeros on the right hand side and cut 2 digits, whatever digits, you just cut 2 digits on the left hand side. I repeat, you add 2 zeros on the right hand side and you cut 2 digits on the left hand side. Now group it into 4 digits. So it becomes 0101 and 10001 and 1110 and 0000. So it again converted back to decimal. It is 59D0 is the answer. This is your left shift. Similarly, you can practice right shift. Left shift by 2, add 2 zeros on the right hand side. Right shift means add zeros on the left hand side and cut the digits on the right hand side.